Good morning, class. I do not know in the last video of your maths what you have done in integers chapter, as now I'll be teaching you maths. I think Robin sir has taken your classes. Yes, now I'll be taking your maths classes, and I came to know that integers chapter has been started. Those who have done it, it's very good. Those who have not done it, I'm explaining it again from the first exercise. So those who have done, they can have a quick revision of it. Yes, and those who have not, they can start doing it. First chapter of yours is completed, that was sets. So I'm beginning with the integers chapter. You know integers are negative and positive both. Yes, they are shown on a number line. 0 in the center, left side negative integers and right hand side positive integers. Okay, so using only this much knowledge is enough for about integers. Rest all you'll come to know in your questions only. So I'm moving on the first exercise, that is first A. You also have a copy and a pen with you and also your book. Those who do not have taken, so do purchase it. Okay, now moving on with the first exercise. The first question is, write the following sets in the set builder and tabular form, which you have studied in the sets chapter. Set builder form is, we start with x such that x, and tabular form is you only write the elements. Yes, so you can represent the given sets. One, for an example I'm taking, suppose you have the fourth part is integers greater than -1 and less than or equals to 4. Integers should be greater than -1 and less than or equals to 4. So how you will write it in a set builder form? First you need a curly bracket, because sets are always written in a curly bracket. Then we'll start with x such that x. This straight slash sign is used for such that. You can make two dots, that is colon also, but you use this sign, x such that x. Now what is x? You have to give the condition. X is what? X should be, they have given what? It should be greater than -1. So this is, I have written greater than -1 and should be less than or equals to 4. You have to give in one inequation form only. This is a way to write those limits in which you are given greater than also, equals greater than also, and given less than also. So in this one inequation we have explained both. Don't write separate like this. You write one new form for x is greater than -1 and another new form for less than equals to 4. No, this is wrong. In one inequation only you show both. Left side greater than, right hand side less than. Now you also have to show what are these numbers, -1 and 4. These numbers belongs to integers. For integers you can use I sign or also Z sign. Capital Z is also used for integers. So this is your set builder form. Yes. Now if you want to write in tabular form, sorry, what you have to do? First you form the set builder. From this only you try to change it into tabular form. Greater than -1 is what? 0. 0 is greater than -1. Then 1. Then 2. 3, 4. They are asking less than 4 but less than equals to 4. 4 या 4 से कम. So this is what? Greater than -1 and less than or equals to 4. So this will be your answer. So in this way you can do question number 1. Question number 2 is all about the fill in the blanks. Please do not see these answers while doing fill in the blanks. Do hide it with any copy, okay, and then do. So in this fill in the blanks you have to use lesser, greater or equal sign. This is very easy. I am not explaining. You can do it of your own. Then how to arrange in ascending order. You very well know what is an ascending order. Ascending order is from smaller to greater. So you decide which number is smaller and which is greater. The best rule to decide in integers greater or smaller is that if there is a negative sign in a number, so that number becomes the smallest number. कोई नंबर कितना भी बड़ा हो, लेकिन अगर उसके आगे माइनस का साइन आपने लगा दिया तो वो नंबर उतना ही छोटा हो जाएगा. ठीक है. सपोज यू हैव दीज नेगेटिव नंबर्स हियर, -37, -45, -172. इन तीनों में सबसे बड़ा नंबर देखा जाए तो 172 है. बट हियर दिस इज नॉट ओनली 172, दिस इज माइनस ओवर हियर. तो सबसे छोटा नंबर यहाँ पर आपका हो जाएगा माइनस के अकॉर्डिंग, छोटे में आप लेंगे -172. यस, छोटे में. सो यू विल, for writing in ascending order, you will start with the smallest number, that is -172, then -45, then -37. As I told you, नंबर बड़ा है लेकिन माइनस साइन है उसके आगे, तो वो नंबर छोटा हो जाएगा. ओके, एंड देन 0 and then you write the positive numbers. So you can do this. Next is question number 4. Find the following. One question I'm taking. Suppose you have this. I'll be solving 1 or 2 questions for your help. Please don't ask me to solve each and every question. With 1 or 2 questions, you may be able to understand the method. So you can try it of your own. See there, here this is called a bracket, a kind of a bracket only, but we name it as, this is known as mod or modulus. It's known as mod or modulus. So what is the property of it? It never gives a negative number. Inside this bracket, inside this mod, if any integer is written, either positive or negative, it always gives a positive answer. Here you have an integer -12 inside this bracket. So this will give out 12. Here you already have a plus integer, positive integer inside a bracket. So here it will give positive only. I told you now this bracket only gives a positive integer. If it is negative, if you are taking out from this mod, from this bracket, so you write it as positive. This minus sign is for the solution. This is for the question. Yes, you have to subtract. But this is an integer -3 inside a bracket. So when you will open it, this -3 will become +3. According to BODMAS, you know that. First you have to open the bracket. In this line you can see we have opened all the brackets. Now it is very easy. First add the numbers and then subtract. 12 plus 6 is 18 and 18 minus 3 is 15. So 15 is your answer. Hope it is understood to you how you have to solve this modulus brackets questions. Okay, take out the numbers, the integers from the mod as positive and then solve in 2. Last question, indicate whether the following are true or false. Again I'm telling you, please do not cheat from the answers. Try to understand of your own. See, it is very easy. Largest integer is 999. Is the largest, this is the largest integer? No. So it cannot be largest. It can be a large number, but it cannot be largest. Largest means they wanted to say that this is the only greater number. कि इससे बड़ा और कोई integer है ही नहीं. So that is why it is false. Smallest integer is 0. No. Smallest integers are so many with the negative sign in it. So this is also false. Absolute value of an integer is always greater than the integer. Now, one more thing. What is the absolute value? As I explained you about the mod here, suppose I take a number -26 inside a bracket. So what answer it gives? I told you this bracket always gives a positive number, that is 26. So this is called absolute value. This is called absolute value. Clear? So absolute value is basically the positive number which we get from the mod bracket. Okay, so the absolute value of an integer is always greater than the integer. Means they are saying absolute value हमेशा बड़ी होती है integer से. For a negative integer you can say, but not for a positive integer. Suppose you have a greater number 343. इसकी absolute value क्या आएगी? 343 only. So can you say that it is greater? No, we can say that it is equal. So it is not necessary that it is always greater. Okay. So this is false. Successor of 125. I hope you remember, which you have studied in 3rd and 4th class. What is successor and predecessor? Yes, successor is the numbers which are written after. Means what is the successor of 5? 6. Predecessors are those which are written below. Unse pehle. What will be the predecessor of 5? That will be 4. Yes, predecessor मतलब पहले वाला number, successor मतलब बाद वाला number. So 125 का successor क्या होगा? मतलब 125 के बाद क्या आएगा? That will be 126. They are giving 124. So this is false. Okay. Predecessor means उससे पहले. Predecessor of -123. -123 से पहले -124 आएगा. Yes. So this is true because first minus 124 comes, then minus 123 comes. Okay. In negative integers, on a number line, the negative integers are always shown from greater to smaller. मतलब आप जितना पॉजिटिव की तरफ आएंगे तो उधर बड़े नंबर होंगे, नेगेटिव में भी बड़े होंगे. जितना आप और आगे जाएंगे तो नंबर्स और छोटे होते जाते हैं. Okay, in a number line this I'm explaining. So I hope first exercise is clear to you. Try to solve it. Doubts, you can message me. Okay, till then you wait. Then in the next video I'll be teaching you first B exercise. Till then, good luck.